In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Shopify theme code easy. If your storefront code is messy, or you just want a clean slate, the fastest, safest way to reset a theme is to add a fresh copy of that theme and publish it. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what's happening at each step. First, open your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where all of your current and archived themes live, and it's the control center for everything we're about to do. Next, open the Actions menu beside your current theme and choose Rename. Type a label like Highlight to make it clear which one is your existing version. If you decide not to change the name now, that's fine. Click Cancel. This part is just to help you keep track. We'll finalize naming in a moment. Now, click Import Theme to open the theme options and choose Visit Theme Store. This takes you to Shopify's official theme catalog, where you can grab a pristine copy directly from the source. Use the search bar to find your theme. In this example, we're opening the Horizon theme page. On the theme page, click Add New Copy. Shopify will add a brand new, untouched version of that theme to your theme library in the admin. Back in your Themes page, find the newly added copy. Open its Actions menu, select Rename, and give it a clear name so you can instantly recognize it. For example, Highlight or Horizon Fresh. Click Save. Good naming helps you avoid publishing the wrong version by mistake. When you're ready, click Publish on that fresh copy. Shopify will ask you to confirm since publishing makes this version live on your storefront. Click Publish again to confirm. That's it. You've reset your theme code by switching to a clean, factory fresh copy. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. Publishing a new copy resets the theme's code to its default, but it doesn't delete your previous version. Your old theme remains in your library, so if you need to reference custom code or settings later, it's still there. Keep in mind that a brand new theme copy won't include any customizations you made in the editor or in the code. So, plan to reapply your settings, copy over content, or reinstall any needed apps or snippets. If you rely on custom code, take a quick note of key tweaks before you publish, so you can reintroduce only what you truly need. And that's the clean, reliable way to reset your Shopify theme.